Do you know what the most famous canid in the world is? Wild dogs are the second most dangerous predators after big cats. They are far more terrifying than our common domestic dogs. Whether it's the large and powerful Tibetan Mastiff or the fierce and vicious Pit Bull, they all have a high chance of becoming a meal for these wild dogs. Sometimes, even a large beast like a lion dares not provoke a pack of wild dogs. In today's video, we will introduce you to 7 of the most capable wild dog hunters. If you enjoy this type of content, please like, follow. Thank you. Number 7, Bush Dog. The bush dog is the least dog-like of wild dogs and one of the rarest in the world. This canid lives in the tropical rainforests of South America. Its head resembles that of some mustelids, giving it a somewhat cute appearance. But don't be fooled, they are fierce creatures that will eat any kind of meat they can find. Locally, they are also known as water dogs, primarily due to their strong swimming abilities. They can dive underwater to catch prey. This creature is not very large, with a body length of up to 30 inches, a height of up to 12 inches, and a weight of around 17 pounds. It has a relatively broad skull and a short muzzle, which gives it a strong bite force. Despite their small size, they can kill prey much larger than themselves. Even a large beast like a wild boar can fall victim to a bush dog. They are diurnal and nocturnal social animals, typically moving in groups of a dozen or more. When hunting large prey, bush dogs employ an amphibious strategy, with some dogs chasing the prey on land to drive it into the water, while others wait in the water. Once the prey enters the water, the bush dogs swarm it and tear it apart. They are extremely ferocious. Additionally, these creatures are strict carnivores, preying on anything from aquatic animals to land animals, as long as it is meat. Number 6, Golden Jackal. The golden jackal is a canid found across the Eurasian continent and the Indian subcontinent. Its appearance closely resembles that of a wolf, but it is not a true wolf. This species is medium-sized, with a body length of up to 50 inches, a shoulder height of up to 16 inches, and a weight of over 20 pounds. Despite their small size, golden jackals are no less fierce than some wild wolves and are even more greedy. There are 8 subspecies of the golden jackal, each with different habits and appearances. They are highly adaptable social animals, and cooperative hunting is their forte. However, golden jackals usually prefer to hunt alone. Although they sometimes hunt with a partner, they rarely form large packs like other wild dogs. In Southeast Asia, solitary golden jackals sometimes hunt alongside wolf packs, which show no hostility towards them. In some parts of India, outcast golden jackals have even formed symbiotic relationships with tigers, which usually show little aggression towards them. In Africa, including lions, they also tolerate golden jackals eating their leftovers. In the wild, golden jackals have managed to establish good relationships with other animals. However, they are very dangerous to humans, as they actively attack us. Between 1988 and 2005, there were over 200 incidents of golden jackal attacks on humans in eastern India. Being bitten by one is terrifying because their mouths carry many diseases and parasites harmful to humans, including rabies. Rabies has a fatality rate of 99%, and once contracted, it is almost always deadly. Number 5, Coyote. The coyote is a canid found in North America. Although it closely resembles the gray wolf, there are noticeable differences between them. Coyotes have up to 19 subspecies, and their size varies among them. They can weigh up to 45 pounds and reach a body length of up to 40 inches. This creature is the most widespread canid in North America. They are highly adaptable and can be found in forests, swamps, grasslands, and even human farmlands. Coyotes are fierce and unafraid of humans, often appearing in human-inhabited areas to hunt livestock and sometimes even attacking people. Because of this, they have been heavily hunted by humans in North America. Originally, this species was diurnal, but due to human hunting, they gradually became nocturnal. They primarily feed on ungulates and rodents. Additionally, they have a unique symbiotic relationship with American badgers. Coyotes and badgers often hunt together. The badger digs up the burrows of groundhogs, driving them out, while the coyote waits at the other end to catch them. After successfully capturing prey, the coyote shares some of the food with the badger. This cooperation between the two species is quite harmonious. Number 4, Dhole. The dhole, primarily found in Asia, inhabits forests and mountainous areas. Most of its fur is reddish-brown, with a body length of about 50 inches and a weight of up to 65 pounds. It is the most agile of all canids, highly adept at jumping. Besides, it possesses the most skills among all canids. At first glance, you might not realize how terrifying this little creature is, as it looks like an ordinary village dog. However, it is potentially more dangerous than a wolf. Dholes are social animals, with groups ranging from a few to dozens. When hunting, they employ methods similar to hyenas, such as attacking the prey's hindquarters. Additionally, they have more brutal tactics, like attacking the prey's eyes first to incapacitate it, then swarming and disemboweling it alive, eating the entrails while it is still conscious. Prey caught by dholes often experiences the horror of being eaten alive. Number 3, Dingo. If you find yourself in the Australian wilderness and see a dingo, maintain a safe distance. Despite their resemblance to domestic dogs, dingoes are fierce beasts. They can reach a body length of 35 inches and a shoulder height of 24 inches, weight can reach around 45 pounds. Dingoes are highly adaptable, found in tropical forests, grasslands, and even deserts. In Australia, some people mistakenly feed these wild dogs, thinking they are domestic, which can lead to attacks. The danger lies in their similarity to domestic dogs, which lowers human defenses. There have been records of dingoes killing humans, making them very dangerous. In the wild, they are expert hunters, capable of taking down kangaroos, sheep, and even cattle. Not only are they skilled hunters, they are still skilled fighters against each other. Different packs also frequently engage in brutal fights with each other. Number 2, African Wild Dog. The African wild dog, also known as the painted wolf, is a canid found on the African continent. Its fur is highly mottled, leading to its nickname. These dogs primarily inhabit African savannas and are social animals, with packs typically consisting of about 40 individuals but sometimes reaching over 100. African wild dogs can reach a body length of 39 inches and weigh up to 77 pounds. They often taking down prey many times their size, such as antelopes and wildebeests. They chase their prey at speeds of up to 34 miles per hour until it is exhausted, then swarm and dismember it. They despise hyenas, which often steal their hard-won prey. When encountering a solitary hyena, the pack will usually kill it to reduce competition. In Africa, African wild dogs are top predators alongside lions, making them very formidable. Number 1, Grey Wolf. Undoubtedly, the grey wolf is the most iconic of all canids. It is the largest existing member of the family, dominating in size, ferocity, and hunting capability. As apex predators, grey wolves have no natural enemies besides humans. The term grey wolf encompasses 10 subspecies worldwide. with the largest being the North American gray wolf. Excluding its tail, the North American gray wolf can reach a body length of 80 inches and weigh up to 200 pounds. They inhabit the frigid regions of North America, preying primarily on large animals. Even bears are not safe from North American gray wolves. Their packs can number over 30, making them an unstoppable force. Individually, they are strong and agile, with a bite force of over 600 pounds, capable of crushing most bones. They have incredible endurance, able to run at speeds of 37 miles per hour for up to 12 miles. Their excellent group coordination ensures the most effective attack strategies when hunting or defending. In every aspect, the gray wolf is the strongest canid. That's all for this episode. If you enjoyed it, please like and follow us.